TSSI stock analysis and TSSI stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade, because I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos and have proof of everything documented, right? So you can check it all out on my YouTube channel. Unironically, this is just still such a crazy pump up. You know, when I see a 70% increase in price as such, I'm just looking to double down on this freaking beauty. I don't know if I have this documented before. Seems like I don't, but do I have some drawings here? Let's check. I don't think I do. Okay. Oh, my bad. What the hell? I'm just deleting this. Who cares? When it's pumping up as such, I'm just looking to double down. So I'm just going to mark up the liquidity point at the top. And the only way that this will make sense for me is if it does pull down a bit lower. And only then if I see a double break, I'm going to look to take it up. Once again, randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.